Modern life invites us to sit. We sit at desks, in cars and on sofas, and we peer into screens. The consequence is an epidemic of slouched shoulders, rounded backs and forward-jutting necks. Poor posture isn't just an aesthetic problem, it alters the biomechanics of your body and silently undermines your health. In this 8-minute exploration you'll learn why posture matters, the damage that slouching causes, and how to retrain your body to stand and sit the way nature intended. Your spine is a column of 33 bones separated by discs that act as cushions. When you stand upright, the spine forms 3 gentle curves, a slight inward curve at the neck, an outward curve at the upper back and a second inward curve at the lower back. These curves distribute your body weight evenly. Muscles and ligaments support the spine and keep the curves aligned. Good posture keeps your ears, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles stacked in a straight line. This alignment allows your muscles to work efficiently. When you slouch or hunch, you disrupt this alignment. Muscles that should be relaxed have to work harder to keep you upright, while others become weak and overstretched. Over time, this imbalance leads to pain, stiffness and a higher risk of injury. What goes wrong when you slouch? Muscle imbalance, rounded shoulders and a forward head posture tighten the chest and neck muscles while weakening the muscles between your shoulder blades. A forward-tipped pelvis can tighten your hip flexors and weaken your gluteal muscles. These imbalances cause uneven forces on the spine. Joint compression, slouching increases the pressure on spinal discs. Excess pressure can lead to disc degeneration or herniation. Compressed discs may irritate nearby nerves, causing pain that radiates down your arms or legs. Breathing and circulation, a collapsed chest restricts lung expansion. Shallow breathing reduces oxygen delivery to your tissues and can contribute to fatigue and decreased concentration. Slouching also impedes circulation by compressing blood vessels, which may make you feel sluggish or cause swelling in your legs. Digestion, poor posture can compress abdominal organs. This compression slows digestion, causing issues such as heartburn, constipation or bloating. Mood and energy, studies have linked an upright posture with improved mood and confidence, while slumping is associated with feelings of stress or depression. Your body and mind are interconnected. How you hold yourself influences how you feel. Picture yourself waking up and grabbing your phone before even sitting up. Your neck cranes forward as you scroll. You sit at the kitchen table hunched over breakfast while checking emails. You drive to work and then sit at a desk for hours, shoulders rolling inward toward the keyboard. Lunch is eaten at your desk with your head dropping toward the screen. When the day ends, you commute home, sit for dinner and relax on the couch looking down at a tablet. By bedtime your back is stiff and your neck aches, yet you repeat the routine the next day. These small choices add up. The body adapts to the positions you put it in most often. If you spend most of your time in a slouched position, your body will treat that as the new normal. Muscles shorten or lengthen accordingly, and your joints adapt to a restricted range. The longer you remain out of alignment, the more difficult it becomes to correct. Stand against a wall with your heels about 6 inches away. The back of your head, your shoulder blades and your buttocks should touch the wall. Slide your hand between the wall and your lower back. There should be about 1 hand's thickness of space. If your head cannot reach the wall without tilting upward, or if the space behind your lower back is larger or smaller than your hand, you may have developed a postural deviation. Another test is the plumb line test. Stand sideways to a mirror and imagine a vertical line running from your ear down to your ankle. Check whether your ear, shoulder, hip and ankle line up along this imaginary line. If any point is forward or behind, adjust by drawing your shoulder blades back, gently tucking your chin and engaging your core. Practical steps to improve posture. Ergonomic workstation. Adjust your chair so that your feet rest flat on the floor and your knees are level with your hips. Position your computer monitor at eye level and about an arm's length away so you don't need to crane your neck. Keep your keyboard and mouse close so that your elbows remain bent at a 90-degree angle and your shoulders stay relaxed. Strengthen weak muscles. Practice exercises that target the muscles that support good posture. Rowing movements strengthen the rhomboids and mid-back muscles. Planks and bridges strengthen the core and glute muscles. Reverse flies with light dumbbells help open the chest and strengthen the upper back. Stretch tight muscles. Lengthen muscles that become tight from slouching. Stretch your chest by standing in a doorway with your forearms on the frame and gently stepping forward. Stretch your hip flexors by kneeling on one knee, tucking your pelvis slightly under and pushing your hips forward until you feel a stretch in the front of the hip. Hold stretches for at least 30 seconds and repeat daily. Use posture cues. Place a small note on your monitor or set hourly reminders to sit tall. When you receive the cue, bring your ears back over your shoulders and draw your shoulder blades gently downward. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Engage your abdominal muscles as if bracing for a punch. Hold for a few breaths and repeat regularly. Take movement breaks. Stand up and move at least once every 30 minutes. Walk around the room, perform a few shoulder rolls or gently twist your torso from side to side. These micro breaks reset your posture, improve circulation and reduce stiffness. Mindful breathing. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Sit or stand upright, place one hand on your abdomen and inhale through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Exhale through your mouth and feel your belly fall. Deep breathing encourages you to maintain an open chest and relaxed shoulders. Monitor screen time. Hold your phone at eye level rather than down in your lap. Use screen time tracking features to limit prolonged device use and encourage breaks. Seek professional help. If you experience persistent pain or suspect structural issues, consult a healthcare professional. Physiotherapists can assess your posture in depth, provide personalized exercises and help correct imbalances. In some cases, orthotics or supportive devices may be recommended. Your posture reflects your habits. Slouching may seem insignificant day to day, but over months and years it reshapes your body, strains your muscles and impacts your internal organs. By understanding how posture works and implementing a few simple habits, adjusting your workspace, strengthening and stretching key muscles, taking regular movement breaks and breathing deeply, you can reverse the effects of slouching and move with ease. Commit to these small adjustments, and your spine will reward you with better health, more energy and a stronger, more confident presence.